What's up guys, so today we are going to do the unboxing and review of this magnet hook, as you can see right here, and it can hold up to 105 pounds, which is really great. Basically come in this, so we have one part in here. So this is the hook right here, so we have one hook, so we have another hook right here. So we have magnet right here that can basically stick on those metal, which is quite fine. Basically it's go like that. I'm gonna stick it on my door right here, which is very strong magnet, and this basically can hold up to 100 odd pound. So basically we have two of them right here, so I'm just gonna stick this one over here, so it stick like that, very sturdy. So I'm gonna put some tool on it right now, so you guys can see that basically. So this is my handsaw right here, my electrical handsaw, so I can basically place it onto it right there. As you can see, very strong, very sturdy. It can hold all different material. So here I have my handsaw right here, and I can place it on here as well. As you can see, it hold it quite fine. So there are a lot of different tools that we can place onto this right here. As you can see, it hold up quite strong. So I have some more tool right here that I'm going to just try on it. We have one next tool right here, so basically we can place it also like so onto it. So you can see right there, hold it quite fine. So you have a little angle right here, you can hold it into place. So we have different tools that we can exchange on it right here. As I said earlier guys, this can hold tools up to 100 and odd pound. So it basically give it a different way in which you can organize them. So you can use two or any amount that you want to basically organize your tool into place.